Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet an ivy leaf. For this pattern, you just need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started on this project, we are going to chain 4. And in the last chain, near the little tail, we are going to work 6 treble crochets all in the same spot. Next, we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 3. You're going to work 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. Then you will work 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. Followed by working 2 treble crochets, and then you will work 2 treble crochets in that chain 3 space that's left over from the beginning. Next, we will turn our work and we will chain 3. You'll work 1 treble crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1 treble crochet each in the next 4 stitches. Followed by working 3 treble crochets in the next stitch. Then you will work 1 treble crochet each in the next 4 stitches. Then you will finish off this row by working 2 treble crochets in the chain 3 space from the row below. Now we're going to turn our work and we are going to chain 3. We will work a double crochet, sorry, not double crochet. You will work a single treble crochet in each stitch for the next 6 stitches. Followed by working 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. And again, 2 treble crochets in the following stitch. Then you will work 5 treble crochets in the next 5 stitches. Then you will finish off by working 1 treble crochet in the chain 3 space from below. Now we're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 3. And we are going to work 7 treble crochets in the next 7 stitches. Then we will work 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. Followed by working 2 more treble crochets in the next stitch. Then we will finish off by working 7 treble crochets down the line. And then we'll finish off this row by working 1 more treble crochet in that chain 3 space. Next, we are going to chain 1. We're going to skip the first stitch, and we are going to work 5 slip stitches. Then we will chain 3, and we will work 9 treble crochets in the next 9 stitches. We're going to leave those last stitches unworked, because we're forming the top of the leaf now. So we will turn our work and we will chain 3. We're going to skip the first stitch and we are going to do a treble crochet 2 together. Followed by working 4 treble crochets. And then we will work a 2 treble crochet together. So how you do that is you insert your hook and pull through the first 2 loops, and then do it again, and then pull through all 3, and try not to drop your string with that. So next we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 3, and then we're going to work a 2 treble crochet together, followed by working 1 treble crochet, and then a treble crochet 2 together. So it's an insert, pull through 1, pull through 2, insert your hook in the next stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2, then pull through all 3. Then we'll finish off by chaining 3 and working a 3 treble crochet together, which again is just like the crocheting 2 together. You just leave your last loop of your treble crochet on your hook, so you'll pull through all 4 loops, and there you have it. That is how you crochet an ivy leaf. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.